This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Janet Henley. Professional photos coming soon. Looking for a LG home just outside of the hustle and bustle of West Knoxville? Look no more. 135 Westchester Court offers a floor plan which works well for many lifestyles. Entering through the welcoming front door, buyers are greeted by a stately fireplace which is the centerpiece of the living room. The floor plan of the main level public areas is spacious and works well for entertaining. 3-bedroom on the main level with and 2 on the lower level offers many opportunities for the owner. Home also has a bonus room over the garage which is currently used as an office. The lower level has a large entertaining room which currently has a pool table and room to spare. There are 2 flex rooms currently being used, an exercise room and a computer room. For more information, review the details below or contact Janet Henley at 865-342-4200.